Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a company named as PIX Power Transmission Solutions. We will call it PIX Transmissions. Interesting company, a small cap company, active in the business of making belts for various applications ranging from washing machines to agricultural equipments, and various types of belt which are applied in various types of industries. So interesting company. Let's go to the financial performance quickly. As you can see in the picture, we don't have results for March 2021 Q4 FY21. So we will analyze 9 months of 2020 FY 2020 with 9 months of financial year 2019. So as you can see, the revenue grown around 20%, and there is a jump of nearly 100% in the net profit. So on a financial front, company is doing well, and company is one of the old companies in this segment and consistently doing well over the past many years. I purchased this stock way back in 2013-14 when it was trading around 30-40. And I purchased and waited for quite a long time, but it was moving in that range only, so ultimately I sold. But when I have gone through the watch list recently, I noticed that the company did very well, exceptionally well, and now the price of the company is around 500, 530. Looking forward, I think this segment is lucrative from the overall industrial growth point of view and various applications which are coming up, because it's a very basic product. It's a power transmission, means whenever you are transferring any mechanical power from one point to another point, you need belt. So that's why it's a very basic product of the company, and company seems to have a very strong hold in making these products. Company is Nagpur based. Basically the manufacturing plants and the overall business activities are located in Nagpur and surrounding belt. Company's corporate office in BKC, Mumbai, and interestingly, company is active in many other countries as well, including Europe and Gulf region. And I'm waiting for the March 21 results. As you can see, being a pandemic year, FY 2020, company did very well as compared to the 2019. Even in this 2020 year, and the product being a very niche product and very basic product, company did very well, and that's why I think this company can do very well in coming years as well. Now, one more thing impressed me is the profit margin. Even though the company is making very basic niche product, or I would say a very generic product, but the profit margin of at least this 9 months, if you can see, is quite impressive. Again, we will definitely look for the annual results, but if you can look at the margin, it is around 15%. So more than 15%, 15 to 20% net profit margin is a impressive play in a segment which is very generic. And one more thing, it's companies dealing in B2B segment, so and there is an advantage of institutional sales and loyal customers over the years, loyal clients over the years. Again, this is very brief understanding of the company. Many things to be discussed, and we have to also look at the foreign export market of the company. One more important point when we look at this such a small cap companies is that the debt level. The debt level of the company is very limited, controlled. 9-month interest outgo, as you can see, is barely 6 crores. So I think that shows that the debt levels are very well managed and under control. Profit margin so far as the industry is concerned and the product is concerned, looks very impressive. And in coming future, rubber, poly material belts will be definitely in demand, and it has a very niche application where from agriculture, automotive, washing machines, and most of the other machines, wherever there is a transmission of mechanical power or power from one point to another point, this thing comes into picture. And I had tracked this company long ago, 7-8 years ago. I have on this YouTube forum, I may be active from last few months, but forums like Quora and other forums, I was very well active, and there I discussed these companies, companies like this much before discussing it on a YouTube platform. You can follow us on Instagram channel at the Break-Even Point. This is the address for Insta channel, and there also I discuss many companies which are, may not be discussed on the YouTube channel. So you can track the updates on the Instagram channel as well. Thank you for watching the video. Do share this video with your friends, relatives, and like-minded people. Subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.